Hello everyone, welcome to the second video in our Microsoft Word Essentials training course. So in this video, we will go over everything that you will need in order to successfully follow along in this course. So for the basic requirement, you will need a internet connection. Since Word 365 is a cloud-based application, a stable internet connection like broadband or high-speed internet is recommended. uh, Also, you will need a web browser. Make sure that it is up to date, it is the latest version, and if you're using Windows, you can use Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and if you are a Mac user, you can use Safari. You will need a Microsoft account in order to access Word 365. Now, if you don't have an account, in the future couple of videos, I will teach you how to create a personal account. Now, for the Microsoft accounts, you can use a personal account like a Outlook account, Live account, or Hotmail account. You can also use Office 365 work or school account. Now, these are typically provided by your employer or educational institute. Also, you can use Microsoft 365 family subscription. If you have one of those, you can use them to access Word 365 as well. As for the exercise files, you don't have to download anything. We will be creating individual files from the beginning. So by the end of the course, you will have a set of exercise files you can refer later. For the hardware requirements, you will need a computer, a desktop or a laptop. You can use a Windows PC or a Mac PC. And if you are not following it along with using a computer, you can use a tablet or a smartphone. You will need a display with a screen resolution at least 1280 by 765. This is the recommended size for best viewing experience. You will also need input devices, a keyboard and a mouse, and if you're using a touchscreen device, the touchscreen itself will be enough. These are a couple of things that are optional, but these are optional. These are helpful, but these are not exactly mandatory. You can use a headphone or speakers for listening to videos, lessons clearly. You can also use a secondary screen if available. This can be useful to following along with the lessons on the screen while practicing on another. You can also, if you have a paid Microsoft 365 subscription, you can use that. Now, for this course, I will teach you how to create a free account. I'll be using a free version of Word Online, and that will be enough for you to complete this course. You don't need to get a paid subscription, but if you have one, you can use that. For the software and the applications that you will need Word Online. Now, when we create a free account, you will get access to Word Online. Similarly, when you uh, create a Word 365 account, you will get access to OneDrive. Now, this is the cloud storage service that is included in a Microsoft account, and this is Microsoft's own cloud storage. And optionally, if you are following using a device other than a computer, like a tablet or a smartphone, you will need to download the Word mobile app from your respective device's app store, download it and install it. And about the skills and the knowledge that you will need to follow this course, you will need basic computer navigation knowledge. So you should be familiar with using a mouse, keyboard, and navigating a computer's file system. You will also need knowledge in internet browsing. So you should know how to open a web browser and navigate to a website. You should have some knowledge in file management, so understand how you can create, save and organize files and folders. So for the following along part, you have two main ways you can engage in this course. So uh, you can actively participate. So this is where you follow along on your own device, replicating the actions that I perform step by step on my video. So this is a hand-on approach, and this is a one of the ways you can follow along. You also can follow along using observational learning. So this is where you watch the complete video without without participating, and after you have done watching the video, you go back to the Word Online, then you do those tasks what you learned from your memory. So this is one of the ways you can participate in the course. Now choose the one that best suit you, try out the both ways, and if you find out that active participation is best for you, use that. If you find out that observational learning is better suited to your way of learning, you can use that. So in conclusion, I think I have covered everything you will need in order to follow along in this course. In next couple of videos, let's create a free Microsoft account. Until then, I will see you in the next video.